Good morning, children. In the topic labor, when we have finished the meaning of labor, the characteristics of labor, division of labor, its advantages and disadvantages, I have already sent you the questions related to all the above topics. For 10th rows children and for 10th red children, I'll be explaining you the advantages and disadvantages of division of labor in the next video. Today we will be starting with a very small topic and perhaps the last topic under the concept labor, and that is efficiency of labor. A small recapitulation, children. You have done questions on the topic division of labor. Division of labor is also known as specialization. That means when work is divided according to the capacity, capability, qualification, and efficiency of the labor, it is called division of labor. You can take the example of your own school for division of labor. For example, in your school, the teacher who is master in history is teaching you history. The one who is master in economics is teaching you economics. The other who is master in science is teaching you science. The one who is master in Hindi, Punjabi, maths, English, they are taking their own subjects. The librarian is doing her own work. The faculty in the administration block, they are doing their own work. Your computer teachers, they are doing their own work. The one who are managing the lab, the one who is managing the lab is the in charge of the lab, and likewise. So everybody is doing work according to their potential, according to their capabilities, according to their qualification, and this is how the school is running smoothly. This is what we call division of labor. There is another example of hosiery industry where the tailor is stitching the hosiery goods, the checker is checking it, the packer is packing it, it is going for steaming, it's going for washing. So the work is divided into different parts, and each part is done by the person who is specialized in doing that part. So that is called division of labor. So it's very simple, children. When the work is divided into different parts and every person is given task according to its potential, according to his potential, the work will become easier. It will save the time, it will save resources, and the product will be a best one. So these all become the advantages of division of labor. Once read your questions carefully, it's so very easy. All the advantages and disadvantages. Still, if any point is not clear to you, you can ask me in the group, children. You are free to ask your teacher in the group. Now the topic is efficiency of labor. Here, I'll be sending you the PDF of the notes also. See, children, I have underlined few lines that gives you the meaning of efficiency of labor. The efficiency of labor refers to the power of a worker to work and produce goods and services during a given period. It means the productive capacity. That means how much a single worker can produce. And it depends on three aspects. First, the quantity of the product. Second, the quality of the product. And the third is time spent by a worker in producing that product. To get the meaning more clear, look at the table given to you. There are 4 workers. Look in the first column. 4 workers, A, B, C, D. And all the 4 workers are given equal time to produce a product, and that is 8 hours. They are taking 8 hours to produce a product. Worker A is producing 10 chairs in 8 hours, painting. He's painting 10 chairs in 8 hours. B is painting 9 chairs in 8 hours. C is painting 9 chairs, and D is painting 8 chairs. Now, looking at this table, you can conclude that A is more efficient than anyone else. Is that clear? Same, in the same number of time, in the same hours, not same number of time. Uh, the same time is given to all the workers, and in that time, A is painting 10 chairs, B is painting 9 chairs, C is painting 9, and D is painting 8. So we can say that A is the most efficient worker. So as per this table, it looks like that A is most efficient, B and C, they are less efficient than A, whereas D is the least efficient because he could only paint 8 chairs in 8 hours. Now, if I turn on the page and show you another table, and this table shows the quality of the product. Look at the last column of this table, the quality of the product. Now, what does it say? E, F, and G and H. They are given 8 hours to paint chairs, and all the 4, they are painting 10 chairs. Each of them are painting same number of chairs in 8 hours. But look at the quality. The quality of work done by E is poor. The quality of work done by P and G, F and G, it is good. But the quality of work done by H is very good. So in this case, H is more efficient than E, F, and G, and E is least efficient from all the rest 3. Is that clear? So the qualitative efficiency of worker H is highest, and that of E is the lowest. Now look at the term given to you in bold, that efficiency of labor is a relative term. Relative term matlab, we can compare. It's relative to each other because we are comparing E with F, G and H. We are comparing F with E, G and H. We are comparing G with E, F and H. We are comparing H with E, F and G. So it is a relative term and is measured in comparing the productive capacities, both quantitatively and qualitatively. In the previous table, we checked the quantity. In this table, we are having the quality of the product. Okay, then you have to learn the definition given by Dr. Saxena. By efficiency of labor, we mean the amount of work which a laborer can do within a given time. So given time में एक laborer कितना काम कर सकता है, किस quality में कर सकता है, that is known as efficiency of labor. So you can go through the video again and again for the understanding of the concept. I'm sending you the PDF as well. I'm sending you the PDF of the last concept of this chapter, that is causes of low efficiency of labor in India. That is why the efficiency of labor is low in India. Again, I suggest you take the example of our school, of your class. It will make the concept more easier. Suppose children, you are sitting in your class. The weather becomes very humid. There are no facilities in your class. No working conditions are provided to you. No fans, no light, no proper ventilation. Would you be able to concentrate? No, you won't be able to concentrate. But when the working conditions are very good, the climate is very pleasant, proper ventilation facilities are there, lighting facilities are there, your teacher is teaching you very well with proper aids, with DTS system, with blackboard, nice environment, definitely it affects your efficiency. So this is a very simple concept of efficiency. When you are provided with good things, for example, the children who are doing good in the class, they are being rewarded timely, they are given certain incentives, they are being praised by the teachers, by the principal. It gives them an encouragement to work hard, to do more in future. But in case when hard work is not rewarded, not appreciated, they won't think that they need to work hard in future. So it affects the efficiency. So under causes of low efficiency, we will be doing all those points that affects the efficiency of the laborer. For example, if the climate is hot, it definitely affects the काम करने का दिल नहीं करता ना. बड़ी गर्मी आ रही है, बड़ा पसीना छूट रहा है, बिल्कुल काम करने का मन नहीं करता. Low wages, when the workers, they are putting in their efforts, they are working so hard, but they are not getting good wages, again it affects them. उनकी एफिशिएंसी पे कोई इफ़ेक्ट करता ना, कि काम इतना करेंगे, 6 घंटे काम करेंगे लेकिन पैसे ही नहीं मिलने हैं, देन वाई शुड वी वर्क हार्ड, हमें काम ही नहीं करना. Uncongenial factory environment. Uncongenial factory environment, it means sometimes unhygienic conditions, not proper infrastructure, कोई ब्रेक नहीं देते हैं, कोई रिलैक्सेशन नहीं देते हैं, खाने पीने की फैसिलिटीज़ नहीं हैं, फ्रेंडली एटमॉस्फेयर नहीं है एम्प्लॉयर और एम्प्लॉय का. दैट इज़ अनकंजीनियल फैक्ट्री इन्वायरमेंट. इट ऑल्सो अफेक्ट्स द एफिशिएंसी टू वर्क. काम करने का मन नहीं करता. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, आपके टीचर्स स्कूल में आए और प्रिंसिपल सारा टाइम बॉसी हों उनके साथ, उनके ऊपर इंस्ट्रक्शंस और बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्ट्रिक्शंस लगा के रखें, ऐसे नहीं करना वैसे नहीं करना, डेफिनेटली काम करने का मन नहीं करेगा. बट वंस द एटमॉस्फेयर इज़ फ्रेंडली, द बॉस इज़ वेरी मच कोऑपरेटिव, डेफिनेटली इट अफेक्ट्स द एफिशिएंसी, काम करने का मन करता है. नेक्स्ट, inadequate मशीनरी इक्विपमेंट्स एंड रॉ मटेरियल्स. मैं क्लास में पढ़ाने आती हूँ, क्लास में चौक नहीं है, डस्टर नहीं है, ब्लैक बोर्ड टूटा हुआ है, बेंचेस टूटे हुए हैं, चेयर टूटी हुई है, मेरे सामान रखने के लिए डाइस नहीं है. व्हाट आई डू, डेफिनेटली इट विल अफेक्ट माई एफिशिएंसी. क्या करूँ मैं, कैसे पढ़ाऊँ बच्चों को, एड्स नहीं है मेरे पास प्रॉपर, नथिंग. सो द सेम इज़ ट्रू इन केस ऑफ फर्म्स एंड फैक्ट्रीज. व्हेन दे लैक एडिक्वेट मशीनरी इक्विपमेंट्स, रॉ मटेरियल्स, it affects the efficiency of the labor. Then workers' habits and socio-religious factors. Children sometimes culture and religious inclinations towards spiritualism also affects the efficiency of labor. Like some laborers, they get intoxicated, they are addicted, they are used to of liquor and all these things, so these habits may affect their efficiency. होता है ना, all of you are very much acquainted with the word hangover. ठीक है, ये चीज़ें हेल्थ को इफ़ेक्ट करती हैं, एंड हेल्थ फर्दर इट अफेक्ट्स द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ द laborer. Then migratory character. Migratory character means like migration from one place to another. It affects the efficiency of labor. Like during the period when agricultural activities start, so all the workers who are working in industrial area, they leave to their villages. So it affects their efficiency. It lowers their efficiency to a large extent, because they, like throughout their life, they have to migrate from villages to industries and from industries to villages. So it affects their efficiency. Then inefficient management. As in the above point, uncongenial factory environment, I have given you the example that when employer and employee, they are not sharing good relationship, so it leads to it affects the efficiency of labor. The same is here. Inefficient management. If the management is not efficient, that means the planning is not done properly, the work is not divided between the workers properly, wisely. The division of labor is, because after all the planning is done by the management, and if the management lacks in efficient planning, it will definitely affect the work and definitely the workers and also the efficiency of the workers. So I'm sending you the PDF of all these concepts. All these means just two concepts: what is efficiency of labor and what are the causes of low efficiency of labor in India. You have to make a note of all these points, children. 6 points are there. Take a note in your fair notebook. Write the meaning in your fair notebook. Both the schedules, the tables that I have shown you, I'll be sending you the PDF. That also you have to make. And by this, the topic labor is finished. Once again, another video I'll be sending you, where I'll be explaining you the questions that I had given you before. So that is especially for 10th rows students also. So 10th rows, don't get panic. I know you have done only the meaning of labor in your class. Your topics I'll be sending you separately one by one. So this video is meant for both 10th red and 10th rose. Okay children, thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.